Hey guys, welcome back to the Lottery Tips and Strategies channel. Today we're going to talk about Powerball. With these jackpots growing into the hundreds of millions, I started to do a video to let you guys know how to use some of these tip sheets to grab some numbers for the Powerball. As you can see, we have some of the sheets that's already been reviewed on the channel. Widow's Guide, Hot Numbers, Lottery Vibrations, and we have the Abracadabras as well. So first thing you guys want to do, these numbers that they put on here is numbers that they feel could be drawn. It doesn't necessarily have to be Powerball. It could be used on Lotto or Mega, but you can kind of combine these different numbers from different sheets. Like maybe play like 4 or 5 here and take 11 to 45 from here, and then whatever the money ball is, you can take that actually from another sheet as well. So first thing we're going to do is just review some of the numbers here. So we're going to start with the Widow's Guide. So they have 4, 5, 21, 33, 58, and 12. So you can actually do the first 5 numbers up to there, and then your money ball can be 12. Again, this can be played in your local state's lotto or pick 6, or you can use it for Mega or any other jackpot that may have these numbers that go up this high. But I definitely know Mega and Powerball goes up to 58. So here's one on the Widow's Guide. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you get these alerts when tip sheets are dropped. So just want to go through them and see if there's any other 6-digit numbers here. These are mostly pick 3, pick 4, but we did have that first set of numbers on the front. So for the Widow's Guide, each month they give you some numbers. So next, you can go to the Lottery Vibration. Now this particular tip sheet right here, see, this is right here for December. They give you pretty much the most out of all these tip sheets for like Mega Powerball and your Lotto 6 digits. So right here on the front, you see you have 2, 19, 25, 27. Then you can, on the side, you have 3, 12, 21, 26. Then at the bottom right here, you have 8, 16, 29, 35, 41, and 43. And below that, 17, 17, 34, 38, 42. So these two right here is definitely some numbers that I would definitely play together. May not be the $600 million, but if you can catch 5 out of 6 or maybe 4 out of 6, there's still some money to be made here that definitely worth taking home a few hundred or even some thousands. So this is the Lottery Vibrations on the front, and then we have that one on the side right there. 5, 14, 25, 31, 40. As we open it up, if you guys have this book or you want to see if you can see it on this channel, see in the Cosmos of this section of this book, they have more numbers you can pick right here. So you can combine any of these numbers in this book and kind of, create a combination of your own. But they are saying these numbers pretty much fall. You don't know if it's going to be Mega, Lotto, or anything like that. But you got this right here. And we got on the side right there, 6, 16, 24, 30, and 37. And as we scroll down, you have some more right there at the bottom. See, 12, 15, 27, 36, 38, 43. And you go right there, 7, 10, 12, 19, 25, 29, 36, and 42. So those are some numbers you can definitely mix together. Pick the best ones out of these numbers. So you have some more right here. 4, 9, 14, 22, 27, 32. So you have that right here for this Lottery Vibrations book for December. And of course, a few pick 3, pick 4 in this section. But just trying to show you guys how to get numbers for the Mega and Million or Powerball to combine them. So let's go to the hot numbers. Okay, so it's nothing again, pick 3, pick 4. This particular one gives you one number as well. So as we zoom into that section right here, you see that right there, 1, 10, 40, 9, 62, and 39. Then they give you actually one more. So right here, 29, 41, 40, 39, 70, and 20. That is definitely a Powerball selection right here because they only ones that go up to 70. Some states, the pick six don't go that far up. So right there again, and just the rest of the sheets, you just want to look over them because sometimes they be sideways or diagonal. This is just a regular pick three, pick four that we already covered on the channel for the month of December. But definitely check out these numbers right here to play for Powerball as that jackpot rises. So, all right. So the Abracadabra, go to this one right here, right at the bottom. 3, 53, 11, 45, 18, and 22. Numbers that you can play again, Powerball or Mega. You can take these combinations if you feel like, feel free to want to add, or you want to like say, hey, I'll go 53 on up and just maybe use that 3 of the Mega or Powerball, or you can do it and use 22 as a Powerball. So you definitely can mix and match or pull some numbers from some of these other sheets. And this one here, let's see if we have any more. I don't think it's just, yeah, pick 3, pick 4 to give you just that one number on this Abracadabras for the month of December. So thank you guys for watching. Also, thank you for the super thanks. Just know that the money goes to the channel to help get these tip sheets and other ways to bring you guys tips on this channel. So thank you guys for that. I'll definitely catch you on the next video. Best of luck to you guys on the Powerball and whatever lottery games that you're playing. And just make sure you're using your money wisely and only use what you can afford to lose. All right. Thanks for watching.